Hey guys, so I just wanted to share my experience using the V2 NCLEX preparation website. So my cousin actually used the website and I seen her post on Facebook and mention ReMar nursing. Now I had been scrolling past ReMar nursing on Facebook and I didn't realize what it was at the time because I seen so many ads about NCLEX, but that drew my attention because I had been seeing it. So I'm like, hey, God been sending me a sign this whole time to try ReMar nursing. So I decided to start joining the lives, and honestly I just felt like God was telling me to use that website. So I got on and I am really grateful that I did. So honestly I had pushed my NCLEX date back twice. When I originally seen ReMar, I had like a week left to take my NCLEX, but I pushed the date back because I wanted to do the 1 month program. So I did ReMar, and of course I finished in 3 weeks. I set my date 3 weeks prior to what I originally had it. So took those 3 weeks, did the videos. At first I'm like, I don't know. I feel like I knew the information, but also she refreshed my memory on a lot of information that I had forgotten about, and just had straight to the point, quick and easy ways to remember it. And I love that because I can't sit still long watching our videos. Everybody said do Mark K lectures. Everybody said try Archer. I purchased Archer, and honestly it was helpful, but not as helpful as going through the information. That is so very true. You must go back through the information and understand the content before you can even answer questions. So I was so grateful for ReMar V2 program and the quick facts book. I say trust the process, you guys. Honestly, she just gave me the confidence that I needed to pass my NCLEX. You can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX in Jesus' name. Don't be scared to try it. Don't be scared, because it is very helpful. And I just want to thank ReMar for building my confidence. And one thing that really helped me is her saying in one of the end videos that you have to accept the fact that you are not going to know everything going into NCLEX. So after I heard her say that, I'm like, you know what? I'm about to just take this test. I'm not about to move the date. I'm not about to keep doubting myself. I said a prayer. I went in with a strong mind, and I wrote, you can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX in Jesus' name. And that's exactly what I did.